And good evening. It is evening. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be assembling the car as much as I can. I'm fighting trunk carpet. Hey, come on. I was doing it outside, but Carlos freed up some space, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it on inside. Come on, get in there. Get it started up, get it backed in, and we go from there. Alright guys, headlights are in. They both work. You see that? Saw the hyperlapse. I was gonna paint the chrome sections, but I'm glad I didn't. Blends in there real well. Don't pay attention to what you heard in the background. Alright. Sun's going down. I got about another hour on this. Might not get to the wing tonight because I need to wire it in. I need to figure that out. But I'm going to run the wires and just install the wings. Install a wing. One of them. All right. Man, it's getting dark fast. Let me put this down. I need a hot knife, the front bumper, the foam, and then to get the front bumper on here. So let me go down and get a hot knife. I'll purchase and get that done real quick so we can fit the bumper up. So I forgot that in order to put the front bumper on, I need to attach the front splitter. This is going to take a minute because I need to double side tape it, screw it, and I'm going to actually rivet it in place so it stays. So no front bumper tonight, but we'll be back tomorrow. Finish out this video. Well, all right, here it is put together. It is not complete. Okay, not gonna lie to you. Side skirt is being held in by one screw. Nice. I got 10 by 1 and I needed 10 by 1.5. Plus, tires need to come off so I can bolt the side skirts in from the fender well and from the bottom. The front, the foam is still pushing the bumper out too much. That's why you see that gap next to the front wheel. And I can't zoom in while I'm recording. Hold on. So tomorrow, when I get out of class, I think I'm gonna just jet it straight over here, get to work, and cut the foam, trim it down. We decided to cut the L bracket pieces off the crash bar. Just take them off, put the foam against the rest of the crash bar, and line the bumper up. Also, if you look at it from the side, that is causing the bumper to stick up at an angle. All right, man, that profile is sweet. Oh my gosh. Woo. So side skirt is in by one screw. I need to get another one. Then there's 5 that goes on the bottom to hold it in place. Plus we have the underglow lights to go in. The mirrors, still need to be painted the accent color, just like the front lip. So I'm gonna try and do that hopefully this weekend. Install the mirrors. So no, can't drive it home yet. The front grille is just put in place so you guys get an idea. I'll have to get clips, put that in, have somebody doing a 3D for me for my Infinity badge, and that's pretty much it for right now. So that's my stopping point. Camera wants to do its own thing for day 2 of assembly. Go home, do some homework, dream about this beautiful thing. Look at it. One of a kind. One of a kind. You ain't getting that body kit in no store. None. Just gonna tell you right now. No store, no online site has this body kit, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all why also. That right there. Dual center exhaust on the sides of the license plate. All right. Y'all find one like that? Please DM me, tag me on IG, Facebook, whatever have you. I want to see it. Because in here and in here, that's the first of its kind. That's it right there. Whoo, she's a beauty. All right, let me get up out of here. Do what I gotta do. Come on back tomorrow and finally finish putting it together. So the bumper is bolted in place. 2 on the sides, 2 up front on the top of the radiator support, and 2 on the other side. All right. And this is what it looks like. I haven't put a side skirt on this side because I still need to attach those aluminum brackets to run the underglow. So this one just has 2 screws in there right now. I could pop the screw on this one, but I'm gonna wait. Needs to come up and screw goes right in here. So, but that's where we are right now. I am being told that it looks like a BMW.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What do y'all think? Oh, yeah. Oh. Does that look like a BMW? I don't know. I want to give some perspective on how low this car really is. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna end the video here. It's been 3 days trying to piece this thing back together. This is day number 4, and I'm trying to take my time and not rush. Okay, we still have the mirrors, the molding for the mirrors that bolt up here to paint, the inside pieces that attach to it to paint. We still have the side skirts to attach the lights to, the front grille piece for this, accent piece, side marker lights to do, and the moldings for the top of the roof and here. All right, that's pretty much all that's left. Car runs great except for the springs. They ride like crap. I'm gonna have to change those out. But other than that, cars are pretty much, you know, where I'd like it to be. So there you guys have it. I'm putting it together. Oh, one last issue: the reverse lights. I think the switch on the pedal is bad because when you start the car, the reverse lights stay on. So we got to figure that out. Probably just a switch, get it replaced, and we'll be good to go. All right, but hey, thank you guys as always for watching the video. Thank you for always coming back, supporting me, help me get the views up, and can't say anything else but thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, I love you guys, and here she is. All right, just so you guys can see. All right, thank you all. Catch you in the next video.